think I've left my saw in here. Ooh, is it round the back there? It could be. Got it. Looks a bit small. That's because that's the piece I want. Just offer it up there. Looks about right. Oh, what do you know? It's inch perfect. Millimeter perfect. Well, can't see it from my ass. Perfect. Oh, sometimes I just amaze myself. That's perfect. Yeah, pretty good. Now there was a little hole there going down to the wheel, so just spray some gunk in there to seal it off. Oh. Ooh. This is probably going to expand quite quickly, so I get it in place as soon as I can. I don't know if you can just move this stuff around like a trowel. There you can. Good. That blocks that hole off to the wheel. Maybe we'll glue it to the rest of the woodwork. Not bad. Nice. It's starting to expand into the wheel arch, so I'll just shutter it off with a bit of cardboard there. Not a botch at all. It's actually a warm day for the UK in October. That's exactly what I needed, in fact, to fix this van. Just 2 more days of it. Right, next task. Window tint, kitchen floor. Now I got these from Poundland, but they were a little more than £1. Some of this go under the fridge there. Yeah, that's good. Don't have to cut it. Just clean the area to be glued on. Clean. You know what? This started off as a 3-layer awning, and I'm warm now. Oh. Right, squeeze that under the fridge there. Lovely. Oh, that's as far as it goes. Okay, I need to do some cutting then. Oh, that's really tidy compared to what it was. My goodness. Next one in. And so on, like that. Oh, check it out. And I didn't cheat around the difficult bits either. That's there and there. What's next? Window tints. Can I do this correctly on the first attempt? with my reputation. I'll just offer it up. Oh, what do you know? It's exactly the right size. It's probably because I ordered it the right size. Mirror side outside. Oh, yes, that's lovely. Let's cut around window latches, which isn't easy to film it and do it at the same time. Well, the phone just automatically white balances it, so you can't really see what I'm seeing. See if I can get the exposure right. Yeah, it's purple on the inside and a slightly crinkly mirror on the outside. And then just do the same for the other side. Yes. Right, what's next? Close the vents now because it's getting cooler. Oh yeah, tidy up this cabinet. Oh, that is really sharp. Well, I've done a lot today. Time to tidy up all this mess. And you'll see me in the next episode of Socks with Sandals.